What is bonsai? Is this bonsai? Tell you what, why don't we have a wander around my garden and let's see if I can answer that really tough question. Because you know, I've been doing this for over 20 years.
Very badly.
Truthfully, it's easy, isn't it? I mean, most people would have a look and they might look at these Japanese maples and go, that's bonsai. Maybe this Chinese elm and say, yeah, that looks like bonsai. Or maybe even this Japanese white pine is bonsai. In fact, truthfully, they're all bonsai. But what is bonsai to me? A headache? A lot of work? But you know what? So much fun. I mean, truthfully, I don't even know if I'm the right person to ask that question. I'm certainly not a professional or someone who's done any training. I can barely read and I struggle with pictures. So what I've learned the hard way. Bonsai for me is trying to stop things from dying. I mean, what do I love about the hobby of bonsai? Things like this hornbeam project, which, you know, some of you will know I've been working on. Real challenges, and it's kept me occupied. Is it bonsai? I don't know. this oak fusion confusion. This is almost a laugh or a mictake of different aspects of bonsai techniques. Definitely not bonsai, but is it? I don't know. I mean, it's good fun, and I think that probably brings me to where my definition lies if I think about it. Yeah, we could go through all the technicalities, and I guarantee if we have a look at Jason, if he gets involved with this from the Bonsai Garden, I'm sure he's going to give you one of the best descriptions, probably little pen drawings. It'll be fantastic, and it'll tell you all about bonsai. Small tree, big pot, or small pot, big tree.
Big pot!
I'm taking the mick, Jason. Bonsai for me, actually it's easy. It's community. For me, I started this nearly 2.5 years ago, this journey. Certainly not the bonsai journey, but the YouTube journey. And I think all along, those who've stuck with me will have noticed that this is all about helping me get through difficult periods of my life. And no, I don't need to bore you and go through all that with you. But for me, it's about community. It's about sharing our love of a hobby that covers a whole range of different styles, techniques, approaches. Yeah, I think community is my definition of bonsai. The love of mucking about with trees.
I love anybody who loves trees.
But what I will say is, rather than what it is what it's taught me. It's taught me patience, a lot of patience. It's taught me charity as well, because as we've had to look at other people's definitions and understanding of bonsai, I've had to learn, and I've had to learn, that just because someone does something that isn't in a book, or someone is at a different stage in their journey, or their trees are at a different age, that doesn't mean we have to turn around and be bonsai snobs. Can I say that?
You just did.
And stick our nose up to stuff that we just don't consider to be bonsai. I mean, dare I go down the argument about is ficus bonsai or is jade bonsai? I mean, for goodness sake, this is a hobby. It's something we should enjoy.
Feels almost passive-aggressive.
No, this hobby bonsai has given me a new lease on life when things were getting pretty dark. So, cheers and God bless.